Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the password on your Motorola device. So, you can see now I have a pattern and I'm unlocking my phone by this way. And now if you want to change your pattern, maybe your PIN count and any other security option, go to the settings, choose security and tap on the screen lock. Now configure your pattern and choose the new method of block, or the same, just click on the pattern and now you can set this pattern for again. Click next, do it the same, click confirm, and now the pattern has been changed. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.